Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Luigi Carl Reyes,
I am Juros Isdalora.
and this is our miniature. It is relevant in the field of mechanical engineering because it uses machinery and electrical components by which the field of mechanical engineering is all about.
All managers all need to present all materials that we get in our product.
By simply planning what we are going to make and then preparing all the materials that we are going to use. Example, so first of all, this is an recyclable container, and then we make something to frame it like a box. And then part of this aircon, DIY aircon is composed by CPU fan and a small switch in its wiring and adapter to make it possible to function. First of all, we need this one, and then we're gonna use the electricity to function our DIY aircon. And then you have it. You have a simple DIY aircon.